Okay, so they're go ahead and declaring that Hillary Clinton is the winner of the Battle of New York. Hillary beats Bernie, and it looks like by some pretty big margins. They're saying that she won 191. 191, is that right, or 161? I don't know. Until they figured out the exact amount, there's 247 pledged delegates in New York to get 247, and I figured out he was down by 244. MSNBC said earlier that Bernie was down by 210 pledged delegates. So that means that there's going to be a difference of about, if it's 161, then that means there's a difference of about, I don't know, 30 or 40. So that actually expands the lead. He did not need this loss, but regardless, he's down by 210. Let's say it was by 50, so he's down by 250. There's still 19 elections more to go, 1,400 more delegates, and 49 more days left. So there's still plenty of time. I just saw on the TV said that she was awarded 161 of the delegates of the 247. So therefore, there is an 80 delegate difference. So she was winning by 210, now she's winning by 290 delegates. So still, she's winning by 300 delegates, and there are 1,400 delegates left. There are 19 elections, 19 states are still left, including, Guam, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, Kentucky. Our 55 delegates are up, New Mexico. But even the big ones, you got California, 475. So there's, 49 days left, but maybe 56 if you can say that D.C. is needed too. But at least 49 days are left. June 7th is the last Super Tuesday of the year. California has 475 delegates to get. You have Montana, North and South Dakota, New Mexico, New Jersey. There's 126 delegates to get for New Jersey. And then on that single day, the last Super Tuesday of the year, there's 694 delegates to get. So she is up by 300, and there's 700 to get on one day. So you can turn it around on that one day, right? He's not gaining as quickly as he needs to, and they're going to try to paint it up as if she's an inevitable victor, but they've been doing that the entire time. So again, there's 19 more elections, which means there's 19 more states, or territories. Still to get. There's 1,400 pledged delegates left. 1,400. So all Bernie needs to do is win 300 more than what she wins. So 700. So if he was to get 1,000, delegates, and she gets 400, then he's won 600. He's got plenty. So he just needs to, beat the shit out of her for the next, all of them actually. In 7 days, we're going to have another election. There's another Super Tuesday, April 26th. Connecticut, there's 55 delegates to get. So in 7 days, we got April 26th. That's next Tuesday, next Super Tuesday. Connecticut, you got 55 delegates, pledged delegates to win. Delaware is 21. Maryland is kind of a big state, 95 delegates. Pennsylvania is going to be a big one, 189 delegates. Rhode Island, 24. So there's 384 total pledged delegates in 7 days from now. So Bernie Sanders wins every single one of those, which, they're proportional, so usually they don't win all of them. There are no winner-take-all, but he wins 60, 40, 70, 30 with all of these delegates. That's 384. So he's down by 300. There's 384 up in 7 days. There's 1,400 up in the entire election. There's still 19 elections. 19 states are left. And there's 49 days left. So, but the fact that there's 19 elections left, I think is huge. Plus, you got the 200 undeclared super delegates. So there's 200 undeclared super delegates I don't play any stock in because they'll fucking switch as soon as they see that the Bernie Sanders is going to be the inevitable victor. So they'll switch, until the convention in Philly. I'm not even worried about them. And the last thing I want to mention is that Kentucky's got 55 pledged delegates, but Puerto Rico has 60. I think Puerto Rico's got 3.4 million people, Kentucky's got 4 million, so why does Puerto Rico have more pledged delegates than Kentucky? They got 5 more pledged delegates than we do. That was just something I noticed doing this. But still, I'll repeat it my point one more time. 19 elections, 19 more state elections are up. Guam, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, Kentucky, New Mexico, 1,400 pledged delegates, so he's got 300. She's got a lead of 300 delegates right now. He's got 1,400 delegates to play around with, and there's 49, maybe 56 days left total.